Welcome to Tripovo. In this short demo, I'll show you how easy it is to book flights, hotels, tours, and transfers. If you have questions afterward, you can email us or book a meeting directly from the links provided. Let's start on the search page. For today's demo, I'll search for a flight. Type the city, country, or airport name. Add your dates and travelers. Then click Search. On the results page, Tripovo pulls inventory from all available suppliers and shows the cheapest options first. Use the filters to refine your search. Include or exclude baggage, choose specific airlines, set the number of stops, and adjust departure or arrival times. You can also filter by total duration and price. When you're happy, select your preferred option. Next is the Contact and Traveler Information page. In the Contact section, enter the email address where you'd like to receive the booking confirmation. We recommend using your own email first, so you can double-check details before sending anything to your customer. In the Travelers section, add passenger details so the PNR can be created. Here, you can also review the full itinerary, check layover times, and read the fare rules, including cancellation policies. A breakdown of base fare, taxes, and fees is shown clearly. Now to payment. You have three options. First, pay by card and issue instantly. Any payment gateway fees are shown clearly in the price breakdown when you select this option. Second, you can hold the booking while you collect payment from your customer. Hold deadlines are set by the airline or supplier and will be displayed. Third, you can use your Tripovo wallet. Topping up your wallet on the Tripovo dashboard is the most efficient way to avoid additional transaction fees and maximize your margins. And that's it. With Tripovo, you can search, compare, and book flights, hotels, tours, and transfers in minutes on one platform. If you'd like help with your first booking, just email your account manager, who should have already shared a calendar link to book in a call with them. They'll be able to walk you through it live and answer any questions you may have.